Forests, symbols of the most basic units of our ecosystems. The green plants which, in a miracle of alchemy, use light to produce plant material that forms the foundation of life, on land and beneath the water. In the silent wetland waterways, long stems bring the plant leaves to the light at the surface. Below, roots, acting as living filters, absorb nutrients from the water. But it is in the kelp forests of the marine ecosystem that plant production is perhaps at its most spectacular. The icy waters of the Benguela on southern Africa's west coast are rich in nutrients and sustain vast forests of kelp. And among the organisms at the interface between sea and shore can be found spectacular adaptations for obtaining food. Here, Arganville's limpet thrives on the rich bounty of kelp. Strong muscular feet enable these animals to withstand the surge of the waves. These same waves bring fronds of kelp within their reach. Their shells rise in anticipation, then clamp down, securing a meal, often benefiting their neighbors too. Other limpet species use the nutrient-rich waters to grow their own food. Pear limpets fertilize and maintain territorial gardens of red algae for their own use. Away from the bounty of the shore, the usually stark Nanaqualang coastline each year gives way to an astounding phenomenon. Watered by the light winter rains, fields of annuals appear almost overnight, and for a brief while, the area is transformed into a flowering wilderness. In a land normally characterized by parched aridity, this bounty of plant material is too good to be wasted, and the life cycles of numerous animals are finely synchronized to the brief period of abundance, hatching out with the first lush green shoots and maturing before the display is over. Green leaves are not the only source of food for these rapacious herbivores. The flowers themselves are also rich sources of protein and carbohydrate, and are capitalized on by a variety of tiny animals. On a remote island in the Indian Ocean, one of the largest atolls in the world,